Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In a video published mere hours ago, it was confirmed that the ocean egg will be available on Friday the 16th of April. The ocean egg will be replacing the fossil egg in the gumball machine, so if there are any dinos you still haven't managed to get, time is running out.
Let's help you make your mark.
The farm egg is a limited legendary egg in Adopt Me. It was released on November 22, 2019, replacing the jungle egg, and was then replaced by the Aussie egg on February 29, 2020. It costs $750 and could be found in the gumball machine in the nursery. The farm egg is no longer obtainable through
Let's help you make your mark.
Ocean egg, $750. It was released on October 10, 2020, replacing the Aussie egg. It was replaced by the ocean egg on April 16, 2021. The fossil egg is no longer obtainable and can now only be obtained through trading.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.